If you want to see this video in Tamil, just click the link in description box. On Thursday, our President Ranil Wickremesinghe addressed at the United Nations General Assembly in New York on the theme of rebuilding trust and reigniting solidarity. Let's have a glance at what is UN and why do they convene this General Assembly. In 1945, the United Nations was established after the World War II with the aim of preventing the future world wars, developing the friendly relations among nations, maintaining international security and peace, achieving international cooperation, and serve as the center of harmonizing actions of nations. This is the platform of world leaders and diplomats to spell out their country's priorities and offer assessment of their problems and needs of humanities. In this assembly, there are 193 nations are participating, as well as this year General Assembly, that is 78th General Assembly, is convened in New York from 19th to 26th of September. In this assembly, our Honorable President Ranil Wickremesinghe addressed and highlighted the challenges facing both Sri Lanka and world. Also, he emphasized the importance of solidarity, climate actions, disarmaments, and multilateral cooperation.